Well, hey guys, it's Jessica Leichtweisz, and I'm back here with tips and strategies for keeping your kid with autism entertained while everybody is stuck home. Sometimes we think we have to really go out of our way, but the truth is that the little simple things we can do at home with stuff almost everybody has is actually the best. So what I'm going to do really quick is show you how to make a really quick DIY sensory bag that can keep your kid entertained for a really long time, and you really don't need too much. So all you're going to need is you're going to need a bag, which I have here. You're going to need some stuff to put in the bag. So what I recommend is any sort of clear sticky liquids. I have soap here. I also have this pain relieving gel from the dollar store. Anything that is clear-ish, it could be tinted like the blue, but where kids can see stuff through it, and you're just simply going to need stuff to put in your bag. So I have some beads here. So I'm simply going to put some beads in my bag. Like I said, anything will work. Okay. I'm going to just throw this stuff in here because I think this is going to look really cool. I'm going to throw this in here. All right, there we go. Seal it up. And now you have a fun bag where kids can kind of just move stuff around. Kids tend to really like this. I mean, it seems simple, it seems silly, but this can keep kids that have sensory seeking kids entertained for a really long time. Now, you do want to make sure you seal the bag properly. A strong masking tape, a packing tape works the best. If you're like me, you don't have that right now, some glue and some Scotch tape will work. This is super, super simple. Now, is it going to keep your kids entertained for the next 3 months while you're home? No, but if you have to do the dishes, if you have to make dinner, this is something you can see. I made it in like literally less than a minute. It'll keep your kids entertained, so you can do that. So I really hope this strategy helps. Don't think that you need to do these grand, extraordinary gestures and go on Amazon and spend hundreds of dollars, especially maybe you're not working as much right now. You can do a lot of stuff with what you have in your house to keep your kids entertained. So my name is Jessica Leichtweisz. I'm the CEO of Hope Education Services. I'm here to support you while you're trying to help your kids while they're stuck at home. Head over to my website, hopeeducationservices.com. I just recreated the whole site. There's a brand new father's course about autism, and there's also some free gifts on there for you. So check it out, and if you have a question, drop me an email and I'll make a video to answer it.